What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another trade recap where today I made $700 on my evaluation, which I took live on stream to the members. And yes, I have some explaining to do. It's been 3 weeks since I have uploaded a single trade recap, and there's a reason for that, but I'm going to have a separate video put out for that specific thing. Anyways, let's get into the trade recap. It was pretty simple today. And basically, what I wanted to see was price to continue bullish. Like, it is very much continuing right now. So if anyone did take a trade off this low, amazing, you're floating a profit. But I had to keep my bias bullish because if we look on the daily, where's our next draw of liquidity? It's up there. If we look on the 4-hour, our next draw on liquidity was over here and still that daily high. To the downside, not much. We only have this, which I did say at the start of my live stream. I only want to see this get swept and then price possibly come higher. If price keeps going lower from there, we're probably going to be bearish. But anyways, getting onto the 1 hour. Again, we had this 1 hour low. This low down here, which we will only reach if the market is truly going to be bearish. Get onto the 15-minute now. I need to get my trading view subscription because this can't run. I need my bar replay. Anyways, we're ignoring that. This is market open. So market opens, and what happens? We just have a straight reaction up. We haven't swept anything. We're already hitting our first two targets that I saw, which was this 1 hour gap that was up here. If I go on the hourly and show you this gap over there, I wanted to see how price was going to react in this gap, which we ended up getting a close above, which was amazing. So what actually happened? Price moved up into this 1 hour gap. We got a rejection downwards, which was honestly amazing because I wanted to see these lows get swept or something down here get swept, which we did get. Right here, this low got swept. At first, I wasn't too convinced because I wanted to see us come down a little bit lower, but because of how bullish we were at the beginning, I thought this was going to be a V-shaped recovery back up. We had this gap over here that we ended up inversing on the 1 minute, and honestly, I wanted to take a position off that, and I was going to take a position off that, but I was like, you know what, market conditions, we'll see what's going on. So what did I do? I waited for this 1 minute gap to get inverted as well, which it did. Let me get rid of that because that was not important at the time. All of this to the left of us isn't. And then I saw that there was this gap, and I want to see this get inverted because what that would tell me is, okay, higher time frame, we are bullish. You see the 1 hour and the 4 hour, remember? We are waiting for the lower time frame to confirm that we are ready to move up. Yes, we've swept something. We're disrespecting the bearish PD arrays, and we're getting extensions higher. I entered, yes, prematurely on this candle, but that's because I'm seeing all of this volume going in, so I am fine with risking that, leaving my stop at this low. And I wanted to target these relatively equal highs because, yes, this was my overall target for the end of day, but in my intraday trading, just based off everything I've seen as well, there was a huge chance that we come up to these equal highs, take it, but then reverse back down to at least rebalance. And I just wanted to be in and out, get what I needed for the day. I just realized I didn't even show you properly what the relatively equal highs look like. So here, as you can see, this high and this high, very, very close to each other. Price came, swept it the littlest bit, and we had that massive move down that actually ended up sweeping a lot more liquidity, which is fueling this move all the way to the upside. Following that daily bias, following my daily direction, but because I'm also intraday trading, I don't really care too much for that whole entire move unless I'm getting it within my time frame of the session. Like over here. And like this is just continuing from PM session, and honestly, that's completely fine. So yeah, I got in with my exit here, stop below this low. We end up hitting this high, and then I went break even. If I can find, am I blind? I'll break even there. Then we went break even. Price did not want to even scare us. We just went straight to TP. Called it a day. Very much it. Thank you for watching the trade recap. Hope you join for some more. Yes, YouTube videos are coming back, and I'll see you in the next one.